Alright guys, so you love to see how I do my hair and style it and all that, but I've already done it for the week. I've already straightened it for the week, so I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I'm just gonna add some Arive Gold Lust to give me some shine. It's gonna smell good. It's very lightweight, it smells really good, but it definitely gives me the shine. So I'm just gonna, I wanna add some bobby pins. I love the bobby pin look. So I'm just gonna add them to this part and leave this side. Bobby pins, if you can see. You can do whatever style you want, just have fun with it, you know. Since it's you know, almost winter time, snowflakes are a good idea. I love this crisscross, like Roman numeral look, is what my sister calls it. But whatever you feel, just go with it. There's no right or wrong way. Just do it. And you can go as far down as you want. I might just go through and that's it. This is the style.